my gosh, why didn't you just tell me that you missed me? Come on, you know what day it is. Day 4? We're in this? Day 4. Okay, first and foremost, ooh, not the chair. First and foremost, how are we feeling? Tired, grateful, anxious, excited? What do we got going on? Truly, what's going on? How are we feeling? Drop a comment down below. Or don't, whatever. It's on you. You're watching, not me. I'm doing. But what is your proudest accomplishment for today? Something that you're like, yes, I'm glad I did this, or like, thank God I did this, because if I didn't, whether it's you sent that email or you brushed your teeth, please don't let it be you brushed your teeth, because we need to do more than that, okay? Or you ate in between your meetings. That could be a win. To me, for today, is that I got dressed. Are you seeing the fit? Like, are you seeing the body? Okay, I put on a bra today. That's an accomplishment, because we all know how they feel. Let's be so for real. But anyways, I'm so happy you're here. Just wanted to pick your brain a little bit. So to pick your brain, because I'm thinking about how I want to structure this, to pick your brain, tell me one silly thing that you did as a kid that low-key made your childhood more fun, or brought out that inner child in you. I'm gonna go first, but let me know. When I was little, I always wanted to be like a YouTube vlogger or whatever, but I'm pretty sure everyone has done this. I would go in the mirror and pretend like I was in a Neutrogena commercial anytime I would wash my face. Mind you, like, this was before I even had pimples or anything like that. I'd be like, okay guys, so today we're gonna use this soap, and it's a regular bar soap. We're gonna use this soap, and I would force my cousins to do it with me. Like, no, if you're gonna be in the bathroom while I'm doing my get ready with me routine, you have to be like, you have to play that character. You have to get into character. So that was one silly thing that I feel like made my childhood just feel more, I don't know, better. What was the thing that you used to do, if anything? Secondly, I want to say my song of the day, and I want to hear yours, or of the week, whatever. I don't know what video you're seeing, or if you just started. But my song of the day is There Will Be No Crying, because there's something in that song. I'll like put it on the screen. There Will Be No Crying by Cleo Sol. I love Cleo Sol. First of all, I'm glad that she's getting more exposure and more people are finding out about her. Like, awesome. Cannot wait to work with her. But that song, it just touches my soul. I'll insert a clip of me dancing to Cleo Sol, because I just, when you're stressed or whatever, there's nothing like a dance party. The other day I was working and my sister was like, come upstairs, and I was like, okay. They were having a midday dance party, because why not? I was just like, you know what, let me just shake my little hips and go with y'all. But that was really fun. That's my song of the day. What's yours? And now moving forward, I guess we can just jump into the affirmations, since that's probably what you came for, aside from me, of course. But what has been coming up today? I kind of like to just go with the flow with these videos, because it just shows me where I'm at. Today I've felt a subtle need for like reassurance or confirmation to make decisions, and I said no. I felt it and I was gonna act on it, and I was like, you know what, no, because I already know my decision. So I wrote it on my calendar. I said, do this. This is a small thing that I'm gonna do to help me to make this decision and stop being so fearful of the other side. What about the good side? You know, it's like when it comes to making decisions, sometimes it can be like, oh, well, if I do this, then I'm cutting out these options. But if I have an array of options, I have to make a decision. So I said, you know, I'm putting this on my calendar. This is what I'm gonna do this day to start prepping to make the decision. Like, in my head, I'm like, okay, in my body, I've made the decision. This is what I'm gonna do to start actually acting on it without letting my nervous system or anxiety, my nervous system or anxiety get in the way of me actually making the decision and seeing what's on the other side of fear. So that's, I guess, what we're talking about today. But let's get into it. Today, I am making decisions that are benefiting my personal well-being. Today, I have the courage to make decisions that my future self will thank me for. Today, I welcome endless possibilities of abundance to enter my life. I know that's right. Today, I call in abundance to provide me and show me the endless opportunities that await on the other side of what I'm afraid of. Today, I am strong, and I recognize how powerful I am. How powerful my words are. I am confident in who I am and who I am becoming. Every day, I carve out time for myself to check in. You're doing it right now. You're actually doing it right now. Every day, I wake up with a smile on my face, no matter rain or shine. I am choosing to walk confidently in who I am. I am taking steps to move and work through any anxiety or fears that show up at this time. I am excited for what's to come. And I feel great about what I'm doing in life currently and what I will be doing in the future. Today, I am putting my faith above my fear. I am putting my desires over my stress. Because I truly believe that I am capable of success. And you are. You don't have to say that. I am an example of what greatness looks like. As I come into myself more and more, I embrace the new parts of me that show up. I understand how much power I yield, and I am learning to use it to my advantage. I allow myself to celebrate mistakes. I know that one's a little tough. I allow myself to celebrate mistakes because they are teaching me something that I need to learn. And with each mistake that I've made, I've learned and given myself grace. Every day from here on out, I will continue to give myself more and more grace. I understand that no matter what it looks like, things are working out for me. We're gonna say that 2 times. I understand that no matter what it looks like, things are working out for me. For my highest good. There's a squirrel that just is watching me. Like, you wanna be in the video too? I am a believer of self. I believe that there is so much more in store for me than what I can see presently at this time. I believe that happiness is always right at my front doorstep. And more joy and happiness and light is on its way to me. Now, before I let you go, I want you to think about maybe where you were last year. A problem that you were dealing with that you felt took up so much of your energy. Think about, we've all had it. We've had one thing that like we felt like soaked up so much energy, and we're like, finally when it passes. Think about maybe how much grace you gave yourself in that time, and how much more grace you will extend to yourself if you ever go through something like that again. Be proud of where you've come from and how much you're doing right now. Even if it seems like, oh, I'm doing a little bit, no. Even by watching this video, you're doing something. You're telling your mind, hey, I deserve more and I'm going to get it. And I'm going to get it. We're going to get it. Okay? I want you to, every time you click on this video, to feel good about yourself. Feel good. Just for 10 minutes out of your day, just feel good. The manager stressing you out? Screw the manager. Come here and feel good. Let all the worries wash away. This is your time to tap in. Your time and my time. We're tapping in together. Tap, tap, tap. Let me stop. We are tapping in together. We are embracing change together. And we're not waiting for change to happen to us so then we can learn a lesson. No. We're going to learn lessons regardless. We are embracing change so change can happen for us, and we can adjust our nervous system in a healthy way so that when change comes in, we're not afraid of it. Or at least, okay, or at least not as afraid. Thanks for spending some time with me. I will see you tomorrow. Kisses.